Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Alright guys, as you can see, the Bad Attitude C10 is back. Please excuse, she's a little dirty, dusty, but I was going to kind of give y'all a brief rundown of what it is. The truck has a Flaming River rack and pinion setup. The upper and lower control arms and the tubular K-member are from Skyview Race Cars. Our motor mounts that we put in are from Sinister Fab Inc. The shocks are Viking dual adjustable Crusaders. We went with the color Arctic White, so the front windshield is just an OEM windshield. We did do 3/16 tinted Lexan in the back. It is not a show truck, guy. This is just going to be a drag and drive event, but it's going to be pretty clean. So we did go with the swing out bar on the driver's side. We're going to try to certify the cage to 850s. The knee bar and the back brace bars both have been bent for a little more room, so I thought that turned out pretty trick. In the back, we ran a brace from where we boxed in the frame and tied it into the side of the frame, as well as we boxed in the frame and the cross member for the back down bars. The axles are 35 spline with 5/8 studs. It is a Fab 9, well actually it's a 9-inch rear end that has a back brace and everything put on it, the filler neck and a jack bone. The gear in it is a 370. As you can tell, our back down bars went through the back glass, so that's why we went with the Lexan. Even the cab corners down here you're going to see have been cut out. We didn't replace them because we were going to go with the bracing and everything anyway. Tinworks fabrication, tubular trailing arms, and their cross member with anti-squat brackets and Johnny joints. There's another shock from Viking, which is also dual adjustable. The housing is nodular and it is 370 gear. The tires that we're running on the back for the street are 28-inch tall. They're 275 60/15s. On the passenger side, pretty much mimics the driver's side. We went with an additional swing out bar. That way if I'm having troubleshooting the electrical on the passenger side, I can still get in and out pretty easily. I think it's going to be a pretty clean, nice little truck. So other than that, man, we do have the drag radials that we're going to run on it. We're going to get some 28-10.5 slicks. The street trim will be with the tires that you see that are on it right now. And again, those are 275 60/15s. And we do have disc brakes on back. The front we have Wheelwood aluminum hub Dynapro disc brakes. And everything on the truck pretty much nut and bolt wise is going to be all brand new. So there you have it. If you have not liked and subscribed, you can find us on YouTube at Bad Attitude C10.